how you can make your first $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. So as you watch this video right now, maybe you're wondering, okay, you're on ClickBank, you don't know which traffic source should you use, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or Google ads. The real answer, the real behind the curtain secret is that it doesn't matter unless you know who is your audience. If your audience is on Google and or TikTok and they are everywhere, they are omnipresent, they are everywhere, okay, your potential client and customer and buyer on ClickBank for weight loss supplements, for info products is everywhere, okay? They're on every single social media platform. Now it matters what kind of buyer's intent is behind that buyer. For example, are they looking only to get entertained, educated, or are they with a buyer intent? Meaning message to the market match, it's really important, right? So as you watch this video right now, what really matters is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, so you can finally, my friends, start having results, those $300 to $1,000 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. Again, it's not your fault if you have failed in the past, if you didn't generate any profits, because let's be honest, most of the people who are buying products online, right, they're struggling to get results. Why? Because they don't have the right pathway. They're buying courses, they're going from person to person with different course, with different strategy, and never have a proven strategy, proven profit-making business opportunity where you can make money online consistently and having sustainable profits online, okay? So if you really want to go all over the world, if you want to have financial freedom, if you want to quit 9 to 5, or at least replace the income that you're having right now, you don't have to quit 9 to 5. You can still making $10,000 or $15,000 per month extra aside from what you're doing right now, okay? So if you're serious, if you really want to get results with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and having these big paydays, okay, then let me know, and after watching this video we can connect one-on-one. I have my Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, everything below in the description. You can connect with me, let me know if you have any questions, okay, and we can connect one-on-one, and I can hand-holding you along the way over the Zoom call and help you to generate and make these profit cycles every single day. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're really serious, if you're not making excuses, if you're not procrastinator, if you have a little bit of money, minimum $500 minimum $500 to invest in you to make money online with affiliate marketing, to let me know and we can connect.